Like, what? Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be on this hairstyle you see right here. If you guys want to get this hairstyle, please stay tuned. I will show you step by step how to get all of this really quickly. All right, y'all, so we about to just get right into this tutorial right here. So the front of my hair is all messed up because I took a shower and my hair just started reverting back. Do any of my natural girls know what I can do to stop that? So I just sat there and combed it out with my hot comb, and I used my flat iron as well. But yeah, make sure you get your kitchen, girl, because people don't think they notice the back of your head. They do. Get that kitchen, get it straight. But my girl's like, I'm tired of flattening my hair like all the time because, you know, when you natural, that little bit of humidity, that little bit of sweat, a little bit of whatever, moisture gets in there and it just messed the whole thing up. So any of my natural girls know if anything I can do to prevent that, let me know, because I'm not getting a relaxer. And because most of the time, I'm wearing a wig anyway, so ain't nobody going to see this. But yeah, just press through your hair and get it as straight as you possibly can. I've had my hair this straight for about 1 or 2 days. It's just like I was in the shower way too long, so yeah, everything's all messed up. But yeah, so I straightened it to the best of my abilities. I didn't really worry too much about the middle of my head because it was going to be in a bun anyway. I mean, a ponytail. So I just, you know what I'm saying, got them edges together real quick. And I did have some edge control left over from the day before, so maybe that's why I didn't take two. Hell, I don't know. So now we're going to get this section off to the best of my abilities. I didn't know how far back I wanted to go, but I was just trying to get it somewhat of what I wanted. Then I'm going to use this edge booster, the style edges thing, whatever. And this Design Essentials edge control. I really like the Design Essentials. It really holds my edges down. Like, my edges do not stay. Like, I don't know what is wrong with them. Maybe I don't got the right edge control. Like, that style booster, it helps. Like, it really does lay stuff down, but I don't know. My edges they just tough, man. They don't respond to much of anything. But the Design Essentials helps a lot better with just swirling. And my baby hairs took entirely too long, so I'm like kind of like fast forwarded through this. And I don't really think I'm that good at baby hairs on myself because I do have a little bit of thinning on my edges, but we're gonna talk about that later. I apologize, my video got interrupted, but yeah, basically just put your hair in a ponytail, smooth it up the best way you can. I like to start like kind of where it's comfortable for me and then slide it up while I'm grabbing the hairs in the back. That's how you don't have them little hairs hanging down in the back of your head, is when you just smooth it and then gradually move up. I know some people just pop a ponytail on and it just like you can see them little back pieces hanging out. So yeah. And I use a little bit of a, I didn't show it on camera, but I use a little bit of hairspray to kind of like hold it. And now for the hardest part. Oh my god, this swoop is so hard for me to do because when I got a 5 head, like, it is what it is. But my hair started reverting back, like it started getting curly because it was getting hot in the room, like the lights was getting hot. And I was like, no, I'm trying not to sweat, girl. I'm trying to just chill so my hair can stay flat. I was using a hairspray, I was using everything that I could, but you know, my hair just, it do what it want to do. Sometimes they don't want to cooperate with me. That's why I wear wigs, because wigs cooperate. My natural hair, man, if it ain't a twist out or it ain't a wash and go, it do not want to cooperate. You just going to swirl it to the back and then bobby pin it. So this part is pretty much self-explanatory. We just going to brush out the ponytail, you know what I'm saying, and attach it to our heads. So here I'm just showing you guys, if you don't want to do the whole Bali thing, you can just take a piece from the back and swirl it around to try to cover the band and cover the separation from your hair from the ponytail so that it looks a bit more natural. And then I take the ponytail itself and I bobby pin a little bit of the back to the back of my head so that when I swing it, you know what I'm saying, when it moves, it doesn't look so fake and like, you know what I'm saying, it kind of like moves with my head, like it's attached to my head. You get what I'm saying? So y'all, I apologize. I started doing the Ballies off camera. This wasn't even going to be a tutorial on that. But yeah, I just thought it was a really cute look. So I take the Ballies and you see how I'm doing the white one up top. That's basically how I did all of them together because the ponytail is really big. And I knew them things was not going to stretch around that entire ponytail. So I just started out with the clear ones and then put another clear one in between. Kind of hook them all together. Just as long as you are mixing them together and they sit up, you're doing a good job, girl. I'm going to do another tutorial on like a style similar to this where I literally go into detail about these Ballies. I'm sorry I did not get it on camera, y'all. I really wish that I did, but I got y'all next time, okay? I promise. So this is basically the final look. You know what I'm saying? A little 90s vibe, a little girl, you know, baby girl kind of vibe. I love it. What y'all think?